Yes, we are receiving all the likes and they are delivered instantly. What's up guys, Farzeel Tech here and I'm back with a brand new video. In this video, I'll show you how to get more likes on Instagram. This is a quick but best video on how to get free Instagram likes on any device without installing any app, no service or human verification, and also no password required. You'll be getting real likes on your post. So let's get started. First, let's open Instagram and select a picture that we want to get likes on. I will select this. It has 25 likes. We'll get more likes on it. Let's just copy the link just in case if we need to paste the link. Copy link. So now let's close and open your browser. You can use any web browser that's available on your device, and you can use this trick on any device, whether it's iPhone, Android or even PC. It doesn't really matter as it's going to work on any device. Now in the search bar type stormlikes.com. But first watch today's video till the very end so you don't miss anything. So now let's search for stormlikes.com, and I will also provide its link at the top of the comments so you can access it easily, and also make sure you enter the link correctly so you can visit the exact site. I will wait for it to load. Now watch very carefully. You have to scroll a little and click on get 10 likes now button, and here enter your Instagram username. You have to enter the account username you want to get likes on. I will enter Farzeel Tech, and you can also follow me on my Instagram because I publish any videos update. If you are getting any issues, you can contact me through my Instagram. And once you entered the username of your account, then click on go. Wait for few seconds. Then click continue. And here scroll down and select the pic you want to get more likes on. You can also select multiple posts, but since we have decided to get likes on this post, let's only select this one. You can also select your other post by clicking on this load more button. Now scroll down a little. Here enter your email address. You can enter any email, not necessary the email that associated your Instagram. It can be even a non-active email, so it doesn't matter. Then click on I'm not a robot and fill this captcha box. And once you've done everything, now click on confirm and you will see great. You will receive the likes shortly. Keep an eye on your Instagram account. Before we go any further, if you are new to my channel, subscribe and I promise you will successfully get more likes on your Instagram post. Now let's open Instagram and check if we have really received the likes on our selected post. Yes, we have started receiving all the likes on our post and they are delivered instantly. So this trick actually works and give you free likes on your post instantly. And don't forget to drop a like. And thanks for watching to the end. You guys are amazing. I really hope you enjoyed this video. And also give a subscribe if you are new here. And I will see you in another one soon. Bye.